So when I first came to the Highlights workshop, I was terrified of the idea of getting up in front of people and talking. Oh, there's a lot of bugs. But when I came and learned from Jan, Peter, and Carmen, I discovered that being nervous is a good thing. It helps you be better at presenting. So I've learned to embrace my nervousness and use it to push myself to get better. And I feel a lot more confident after doing my first school visit today with all of the advice and tips that I've learned from this week. And I feel extremely ready to go out there into the world and do some more school visits. Because when you're making art, you're putting it out there for other people's opinions. So you're going to get some people who just don't get what you're doing, and that's okay. Not all of us like one book. There's one book that, people love, but other people hate it. Same with comics. So just keep in mind that you're doing this for yourself. Do it because you love it. I was really surprised about how confident I would feel with preparation, and that's a big thing that Peter stresses. I always knew that being prepared would help you do better, but I didn't know just how important it was and how vital it was, because he had us get up and do an impromptu speech, and I felt completely like a fish out of water. But then when I spent time working on this longer presentation, it felt a lot better. I would say it helps you gain confidence, and everyone needs to gain confidence from public speaking, even people who have been doing it for a long time. You should just take the leap. It's really scary, but it's like ripping off a Band-Aid. That's what we've all been comparing it to, and it's something that you need to do for yourself because it's part of the author's life.